How to turn on date mode on Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now here on the right top, there's the settings button. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in this settings interface. Here on the top, there's a section called date mode. So as you can see, you can simply tap on it to enable it. So what does date mode do? So basically it gives the sign of dating. Here other users and other people, when they view your profile, you'll be able to show as a date mode and even others will be interested in it. So if you go back, it's all saved now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.